morning everyone. In my previous video, I was discussed about a topic, the normal to a conic. Now today, I am going to discuss a topic, the chord of contact of a conic. Let us consider a standard conic. This is the equation of the standard conic, ax square plus by square is equal to 1. It may be parabola, hyperbola, ellipse or a circle. All look the picture which I draw. Let us consider a conic and a point whose coordinate is px1 y1. This is a point which is outside the conic. From this point we draw two tangent to a conic. This tangent meet two points A and B whose coordinates are x2 y2 and x3 y3. At these 2 points we draw two tangents, and the equation of the tangent at these 2 points are ax x2 plus by y2 is equal to 1 and ax x3 plus by y3 is equal to 1. This is a tangent at these 2 points A and B with respect to the standard conic ax square plus by square is equal to 1. We see that this two tangent is passes through one point px1 and y1. So in these two equation of tangent satisfy these points. Therefore, the equation becomes ax1 x1 into x2 plus by1 y2 is equal to 1 and ax1 x3 plus by1 y3 is equal to 1. These two equations suggested that the equation ax x1 plus by y1 is equal to 1 is passes through the point x2 y2 and x3 y3, and this is the required equation of a chord of contact of two tangent lines drawn at the extremities of a conic form and which is passes through one point P, which we see in the picture. Now let's move on the another topic. This is a very interesting topic, the polar line of a conic. Let us consider a conic, standard conic, and we consider a point P x1 y1. From these 2 points we draw 2 secants to a conic. These 2 secants lines touches the conic in 4 points A, B and A dash B dash. We say these lines are secant because these are the lines which is draw from the outside the conic. Now we draw 4 tangent lines at these 4 points A, B and A dash B dash. These 4 tangent lines cut 2 points Q and R, and polar line of a point P is nothing but the line PQ, because from the definition of polar we can say that the polar lines is the locus of the point of intersection of the tangent lines drawn at the extremities of a conic with respect to a point. This point P, we say that this point is a polar. This point is a pole, and with respect to this point we draw a line QR. This line is called polar line. Now I am going to derive its equation. Let us consider a equation of a line passing through a point x1 y1. This is the equation of a line in symmetric form. So its equation is x minus x1 by L is equal to y minus y1 by M is equal to R. If this line touches the conic in 2 points A and B, I just consider only 2 points, and let the coordinate of these 2 points are x2 y2 and x3 y3. Now the tangent at these 2 points are ax x2 plus by y2 is equal to 1 and ax x3 plus by y3 is equal to 1. If these 2 tangent which we draw at the extremities of a conic is passes through a point Q h comma k whose coordinate is h comma k, then its equation becomes a h x2 plus b k y2 is equal to 1 and a h x3 plus b h b k y3 is equal to 1. The chord of contact of the point h comma k is ahx plus byk is equal to 1. This line is nothing but the chord of contact with respect to the point h comma k is passes through a point P. We consider a P is a P is pole, so it passes through a point P. So its equation become AHX1 plus BKY1 is equal to 1. Now the locus of h comma k is AXX1 plus BYY1 is equal to 1. Therefore, the locus of the point of intersection of two tangent lines drawn at the extremities of a conic is called the polar lines. Thank you.